Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a problem on strings. A Java program to check a character is vowel or consonant. Let us see the program. Here is the Java program. I am running this program on online compiler. See, here is a program whether to find a given character is vowel or consonant. Okay, this is the main function where the program starts from. Okay, here is the scanner class which helps to take input from the user. Okay, first it is asking enter a character. So the character you have entered is fed into the char variable C. It is a, as you are entering the character, so it is a character type char C. Scanner dot next dot caret 0. It is very important. Many of the students do a mistake here. See, have a clear idea on this. Char C is equals to scanner dot next dot caret 0. You are entering only one character, caret 0. Okay, it is stored in this character character type variable C. Okay, now this C is passed to here. If not character is letter, if the entered character is not a letter, then it won't allow. If it is not a character, then only you will go into this and you will print a error message, it is not an alphabet. If you entered the character, then you won't go into this if condition. If you entered one is not a character, then it print it is a not a character. Or else, then if you entered a character, then it checks is lowercase variable or is uppercase variable. These are user defined functions, not predefined. Then you when you enter this if condition, then it calls the user defined functions, that is lowercase vowel or is uppercase vowel. These are user defined ones. Your given character is go to this function. It is a static type, so you can easily access this function without using any object. Okay, static, the main function of this static keyword is that there is no need of using the object, no need of creating an object to call this function. Okay, now what the function is doing is that static boolean, it returns boolean one, whether true or false. Okay, is lowercase lowercase vowel. Now suppose you entered e, small e, then it will check if c equals to a or c equals to e. It compares a, e, I, o, u. If your entered character is one of it, then it returns true. This true value returns to here. Okay, true. If it is true, then it returns true, otherwise false. Okay, same with this uppercase vowel also. If your entered one is capital A, then your variable will compared with these all the characters, and if it is one among it, then it returns true to this function. Okay, if any one of the case is true, as we are given or condition, if any one of this satisfies, then it gives an output of vowel, otherwise it gives an output of consonant. Let us run this, then you can check. Okay, let us run this. It is compiling. It is asking to enter a character. Let us enter a character small u. Then it is giving u is an vowel because it is one of the character in this a, e, I, o, u. So it is satisfying the condition. It returns true value c. Returns true if the char matches any of the vowels to this. Okay, any of the case satisfies, then it prints vowel. See, again let us run and let us give a consonant character and r. Okay, r. It is a consonant. See, it is working well, and here is the code. Thank you.